Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Adobe Audition. Firstly, start by selecting a new project and choose the file location where your project will be saved. When you're done, just click record to begin recording. Once recording is complete, stop the recording and a waveform will appear on the screen. Select a starting point from the waveform. Click on your mouse where you want the edited section to start and drag the mouse while holding the left button to highlight the desired section. Just double click the highlighted section to edit it and press the spacebar to play the clip and refine your selection. Edit the clip by removing unnatural breaths, extraneous noise and mistakes, and highlight the unwanted parts, then press delete. Insert additional audio or spaces by placing your cursor at the desired point in the recording and click Insert then Audio to choose the file you wish to add. Edit the new audio clip before and after the insertion to ensure it sounds natural. To change the pitch of your audio, navigate to Time and Pitch, then select Stretch. Use this tool to increase or decrease the pitch without altering the clip's length. And finally, you can create an echo effect by selecting Delay and Echo, then Echo. Experiment with the settings to customize the effects, like Canyon or Mountain Echo. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.